Well, Rich from Oklahoma. I got good news, got bad news. Good news, I'm back on the Cushman. The bad news, 4 years later, catastrophic fail. I don't even know where to begin. I don't even know where to begin. Oh my gosh. So what I think happened is, on here, you can see that the kind of walled out right there. That made that loose. Which made the flywheel bounce around. I don't know if you can see it or not, but then it cracked it. And yeah, it got worse from there. So, new crank, got a new flywheel, and we're going to put it back together and help him out. Oh, it's not mine. Remember, I traded this for the 72. My truck still works. But that's okay. I don't mind helping out. He's a real good guy. And here we go. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the camera so we can get a little closer. And here we are. I guess I'll be putting it back together. Hopefully this is the new gasket set. Ah, sweet. Nice. What else we got in here? Okay. And one new flywheel. Nice. I like it. Okay, let's put you back inside there. Let's put you down there. Let's put you It's going. Okay. Rich in Oklahoma, Nightmare Gizmo. The Cushman is back. Well, let's talk about some of the things that we did do as far as getting it back on the road again. One, we put a starter on it, battery, the starter. We got a kit. Had to replace the flywheel and put in like electronic ignition. Took out the points and all that kind of stuff. Updated the carburetor. Updated how we started. This is a dummy plug now. other than that, she runs real good right now. Starts really good, way better than before. Other than that, a few things we can talk about is maybe some part numbers. Okay. And we'll get some part numbers for the headlight. So that way you know what to get if you're going to do this yourself. So the part number for the headlight that fits in there exactly is 4412, 35 watt, 12.8 volt. And then it fits in the exact same stock position. I got this from O'Reilly's. Okay. And so you don't have to order any kind of special bulb from anyone or blah, blah, blah. You can just use that one from right there. Changing over to 12 volt with the battery and starter. We also changed the tail light bulb to 1157, if that helps you. This also got a new clutch pack. Oh, got some tape on her. Got a new clutch pack. Did some touch-up paint on it. Updated on the carburetor. We got a compression release on the head. Make things a lot easier to start when cranking it over. But, I mean, other than that, still looks as good. Back in the day when I finished it before. And we're going to take it for a little ride and all that. So, yeah, looks real good. It's going to run real good. For those who don't know, first time seeing the video, this is a 1957 Cushman Eagle. It's very nice. Talk about some of the stuff for the starter. I gotta bump you up on this. So check this out. So in the kit you get these blocks. This is to push everything back because there is no room between the starter and the transmission. Like literally, that's how close it's going to be when you do your own. Also, we had to adjust the chain to make it fit a little more correctly. What else was there? They give you a nice kit setup to put in here, even for the battery, for the solenoid mount part. Really, to tell you the truth, it's a really good conversion kit. I'll post a link to where you can get that. And then also we changed over to the Mikuni carburetor. Boy, it's just like, you know, night and day as far as starting and driving and all that kind of stuff. And then, of course, having the electronic ignition. Again, night and day between the points and all that. So, anyway, let me see if I can. We should all fire it up, right? So here's what we'll do. We'll go on this side over here. We'll go like this. We'll go like that. That's gonna release the compression. Probably shouldn't have to choke it, then it's pretty hot today. Now that bad boy runs like a top now. Smooth. And then this is a dummy right here. We don't use that. We just use the key. That way no one can take off with it. If we happen to be at a car show or something like that, you can actually take the key. Cool. All right, I'm going to take it for a quick ride and yeehaw. This will probably be the last ride for me. All right. We will catch you all later. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Got any questions? Ask. I will try to have the answer for you. All right, this is Rich, Nightmare Gizmo. We're gone.